If you often lose your hair, have baldness, or want very long hair, this mask is for you. But don't use it too much because it makes hair grow non-stop. To start, add a tablespoon of rosemary. Then add a tablespoon of cloves. Rosemary works by stimulating hair follicles, while cloves have antioxidant properties that promote scalp health. Then peel and cut a red onion into pieces. Onion is rich in sulfur, an essential mineral for hair growth and scalp health. Then carefully cut a clove of garlic into small pieces. Now add a tablespoon of olive oil. Garlic increases blood circulation and prevents hair loss, while olive oil deeply hydrates and nourishes hair. Mix all the ingredients well until you obtain a homogeneous paste. Apply this natural treatment directly to your hair before shampooing and leave for 15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work deeply. Your hair will then grow non-stop. Record the video and tell me in the comments which recipe you want to see. Save the video and comment, "Yes, I will try it."